Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. When the Senate supported or endorsed President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's state of emergency in Rivers State, did they do it in national interest, for altruistic reason, or did they do it for money? That is the story we are going to unravel in this video as Senate President Godswill Akpabio has denied bribing lawmakers or senators with $15,000 each for them to support the state of emergency in Rivers State. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. The Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, has denied bribing senators with $15,000. He made the denial in a statement by his spokesperson, Simi Fubara, who vehemently denied that allegation. And the Senate President was reacting to exclusive report by Sahara Reporters that 45 senators were offered $5,000 on Tuesday night, while 42 were given $10,000 on Wednesday night, the night before the Senate voted in support of the state of emergency in Rivers State. Now, according to the Sahara Reporters, the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, who was also former governor of Rivers State, who was a major actor in the crisis that eventually led to the declaration of state of emergency in Rivers State, Nyesom Wike allegedly, according to Sahara Reporters, provided the funds to the Senate President to rally senators in support of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's declaration of a state of emergency. The report also indicated that the senators received the money when they gathered for Eid meal, that's breaking of fast, at Akpabio's guest house in Maitama, Abuja, to support the state of emergency rule in Rivers State. The report also added that two senators, and this is very, very heartbreaking for those who are supporters of Peter Obi, those who hope that Labour Party will be the standard bearer of all that is right and all that is good in Nigerian politics. Now, this is just an allegation, let's not, but that Labour Party should even be mentioned in this is heart-wrenching, heartbreaking for those who supported Peter Obi, and that Peter Obi's associates could be linked, even if it's a lie, but to be suggest that they are part and parcel or something like this is heart-wrenching. Very sad development. I'm not saying that it is true, but that they even were able to be mentioned in this report by Sahara Reporters. Don't forget, Sahara Reporters said that this is an exclusive investigation that they did. Whether they are right or wrong is a story for another day. But it added that two senators, Victor Ume, Labour Party Anambra Central, and Neda Emasuen, Labour Party Edo South, that they were alleged to be key figures in organizing the payout. Of course, I have seen the rebuttal by Victor Ume. Victor Ume denied collecting any $10,000 or this being sharing it for whatever. He denied it. He provided an alibi where he said he was, that he couldn't have collected it. Okay, he has made a denial of his being involved. But he has not denied that he voted in support of state of emergency, which is something he need to explain to even Anambra Central people. What was his basis for supporting state of emergency? Let us assume that he didn't collect money. We believe him. He is the truth. Didn't collect any money. Didn't share any money. On what basis did he support state of emergency in Rivers when the leader, his leader, Peter Obi, had been very frontal and vocal against state of emergency in Rivers, and he voted in support of it? What moral rights? How is he different now from APC and PDP and others in the National Assembly? So that's a question he has to answer. Because he has to give explanation, not just denying that he didn't collect any money, but why did he support it? What was his reason for supporting it? An illegality in which an elected governor was sacked, deputy was sacked. How come he supported it? Something that P2B protested against and wrote about it and was vocal about it, that he detests what the government did in River State. Yet, Victor Ume, who came to power on the Obi wave, Obi tsunami, threw Peter Obi under the bus by supporting that impeachment, that removal from office of elected governor of River State. And then it was also noted that the Neda Emerson, the North South Labour Party man who was allegedly linked to the organizing the payout, he is yet to issue a denial of that report by Sahara Reporters. Yes, so weekend, the minister of the FCT, who Sahara Reporters said was the source of the money, has also not yet issued a denial. And when he issues that, we'll also let you know here in this channel. But the question is, what do you think? Do you think that the lawmakers follow the Constitution when they endorsed state of emergency in River State, or they were influenced by payouts, as being alleged in the report? Because if you look at what they did, that made a lot of people to be scratching their heads, say, how could this happen? How could this happen? This is because for the Senate, they must have a quorum, at least 73 senators out of 109 senators must be present. That was not what was done. That was not done. Senator Aminu Tambawa said the forum was not formed, yet they went ahead to vote. And they didn't even do head count. It is the ayes and nays have it, which have been criticized as unconstitutional in a strategic, important vote like that. That it was a violation of Section 305. So given the atmosphere that enveloped the whole process, that they didn't follow the due process, even though they know the due process, like former President Goodluck Jonathan said, that those of them who participated in this state of emergency, that they were like the proverb, by Indian proverb, that said that if a person is sleeping, it is easy to wake him up than if a person is pretending to be sleeping. That is difficult to wake that person up. In the case of the Senate, since they know the rule and they didn't follow the rule, it will be assumed, like Jonathan, that they were pretending to be asleep. They were pretending to be asleep. So what made them to pretend to be asleep? What made them to pretend to be asleep? Is it the money or is it the national interest? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high. I'll recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.